How to fix Instagram saved audio not showing in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, so all what you want to do is very simple. Open the settings, go to the apps manager, open the apps like this. Now on this page you will find all the apps that you have downloaded on your phone. Scroll like this until you find the Instagram app and then click on it. When you click on it, it will take you to this page. Right here you will find all the app settings. So click on this option and then click on notifications management. Scroll down and then go to the more settings, click on it, and then go right here to the pause all, click on it, choose 15 minutes, go back again, and now go back, click on let's wait, click on storage. This is the internal storage. All what you want to do here is click on clear data, clear cache, and then go back, click on the power usage details, make sure that power consumption alert is enabled. Go down here and click on this force stop option. Now all what you want to do is just restart your phone, and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.